day one, I've been putting a question regarding this restoration of Shapora Fort. 11 July तुम्ही answer दिला, work of restoration of Shapora Fort is in process and the estimated cost of the project is 2 crore 64 lakhs on 11th July 22. आणि आता परतो तोच answer the file is before finance department for expenditure section. Mullar from 2022 till date the answer is same. So I request करता तुका वेगळ्याच्या वेगळ्यान कोर आणि म्हाका तू वर्क ऑर्डर म्हाका फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे ते एक्सपेंडिचर सँक्शन म्हाका तू वर्क ऑर्डर केन्ना दितलो ते सांग. एक्सेस रोड
5 crore 77 crores have been spent on providing the pathway and it is beautifully done. Now it is encroached upon all those shopkeepers and all that we have to remove. Once I had removed around 300 odd structures which were lying illegal. Now we have negotiated and brought down by 52 lakhs below. It is 3 crores 30 lakhs 28,938. 2 महिन्या भितर हे काम सुरू जावपाक जाय आणि within given a stipulated time the work will be done.
but the work order केन्ना मेळटले तेजे अश्योरन्स जाय.
त्याच्या आमच्या फायनान्स हाजे अप्रुवल मेळटकच immediately within 15 days we will issue a work order and I am expecting it within 1 month's time you will get the contractor will be given a work order and we will start the work of restoration.
म्हणून बाय दिलायला लोगो काँग्रेसींतल्यान बीजेपीन गेले डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर आणि तुम्ही त्याची अशी परिस्थिती करता ती पळोवन म्हाका काकूट दिसता. स्पीकर सर, मुखेलमंत्री फुडें बसला तो तुजो सोयरो तो तुका कसोच उतर दिना, केन्ना दिता काय म्हणून. कोंकणी आता मराठीन सांगू केव्हा देणार तुम्ही आता त्याला आश्वासन.
असेंब्ली सोंपच्या पयलीं तिका ऑर्डर दिवपाक लायता फायनान्सान आज जाल्या.